explain what exactly children will learn. A Junior Computer Academy start new course in programming language Python, and that starts actually very soon on December 5 and will be 12 weeks long. So every week students will be learning different projects and exploring possibilities how programming language works and learning some of the functions and possibilities of the Python programming language. Every week, new project is going to be offered in fun and entertaining way. And in the end, students will present all those projects so we can see how much they've learned together. So now I am on the platform that is used for training and learning how to write the code. And as you can see, the first line is already saying that I'm going to write my code in Python. So let me try to write the code. We will say that's like that. We will try to see if I can succeed with writing the code. I wrote hello world. Let's do like that. That's a very famous thing. And then now we say run. Yeah, it works. So I can write my code here. I can write hello mom, run. Yeah, mom is here. So that is how students are going to work. And then if they want, they even can download, share, and send you an email and show you what exactly are they doing and how they learned that. So this is basically the whole course that is going to be delivered to the students. And it is used by many educators all around the world, and we are very happy to bring that course to the students in Cambodia. You can see students are going to work in different fun projects because we want to show that programming is not that difficult if you know how to work on that, how to create and what you can do there. You can also see that students all around the world are using this course to learn so many different skills, and there is always a great possibility for learners to explore technology in a very interesting way and get ready for the 21st century. So we are very happy to bring that to Cambodia, and we hope to see your children at that program and and help them to learn how technology is actually a great opportunity. Thank you.